You want this bottle back, right?
Yes, I do want it back.
So you wouldn't be on my live earlier, but now you're gonna mess with me.
Yeah. You tell you to remember the address too.
Oh, the address to the bottle.
Right.
Here, I'm gonna give it to you right now. Hey guys.
Hey guys, Jessica was messing with me earlier, so it's my time now. Yeah man, she keep messing around with me, you know. So it's my time to mess with her now.
Here's your bottle back. Thank you. I have to beg. I'm gonna let your people know on your line. I have to beg to get oil. So I want to let you know that your bath bombs are made with 100% Nigel Jamaican almond oil. So
hey Princess.
Oh, Princess.
Rhonda.
Oh,
And
Rhonda.
Rhonda is
Hey.
here. Yeah man, Princess and Rhonda.
Princess, daughter-in-law Princess?
No.
Yes, man. So we're here
Yeah
in
man.
Cali. It's
Jessica
raining
making
today.
bath bombs today.
I'm having trouble with this batch for some reason. I'm having a hard time. It just won't mold. So I'm gonna see if it will though. And put a little more oil.
So what do you got going on there, Jessica?
I have the pain-free peppermint bath bombs. And of course, they have your oil that you make in it. And these are all the same flavor.
These?
Mm-hmm. These are
peppermint?
my personal.
I never know you're making personal now.
Yeah, man, we have a nice bathtub now, so I have to make some.
So why are they different color, Jessica?
Because...
Why are you looking at me like that, Jessica?
Because why are you asking me that?
Well, it's a valid question, isn't it?
They're different colors because, just because they are. All right, so because I use vegan colors, the color ran out. My olive ran out. So my olive green ran out, so I'm using bluish green, and kind of reminds me of the water in Jamaica. So got the bluish green. Oh, these are a little sticky. The peppermint, for some reason, the peppermint makes them sticky.
I think you have too much oil in it. Remember, I always tell you you're using too much oil.
You always tell me that, babe, but there's not too much oil in it. It's the perfect amount.
You're gonna make the people's skin too moist, babe.
Babe, come on. Their skin, they like their skin moist.
Yeah, but not over. Remember, too much of one thing good for nothing.
So is anybody on?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Okay, let me say hi. Let me see who's on.
There's Princess from Red Ground.
Hey, Princess! It's Rhonda.
And Rhonda.
Okay. Hey, y'all. Is it raining where you are? The weather here is not good. It's raining hard.
Yeah, man. We're in the workshop, guys. We're getting ready to move. We actually move in the process of moving and making bath bombs. So, Jessica, she's a little behind. So, we're making for the new for the show.
Excuse me, I've been doing a lot.
Yeah.
I just had a baby.
Yeah. No, you didn't just have a baby. What are you talking about? How come I didn't know about that, the baby?
I helped.
You helped having a baby?
Yeah, I helped having a baby.
You helped someone having a baby?
Yes.
Here. Oh, okay.
Yes. My daughter.
Okay.
We have a beautiful granddaughter. She's so pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I feel so grateful to be here while she's being born.
She kind of look like a little dolly.
She does.
Yeah, like a Barbie dolly there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She does. Like a little porcelain doll.
Yeah.
Sweet girl.
So your grandma all over again, eh?
Yes.
Yeah.
happy about that.
Okay.
Yes.
Sexy grandmother.
Hey now. Watch out. So, anyway.
Oh yeah, Jessica, blush, I blush.
What? You're gonna leave me alone. I'm trying to make some bath bombs. You play too much. Alright, go. It's time for you to go off the live. You have no behavior.
Why? You're running your people away. You can't do that. You can't do that, girl.
So the new house.
So how much you get out of each batch, Jessica?
I get about 8 out of each batch.
Okay.
And I know you're gonna talk about.
And what do you put in it?
it?
What do you put in it?
I use 2 tablespoons of Nigel's Jamaican almond oil. I was using 3, but
You're using too much.
I was using too much, but
Okay.
I liked it.
Okay.
So the Nigel's Jamaican almond oil, you can see it right here. I need to put the cap on this. So Nigel's Jamaican almond oil. I'm glad I was able to beg this jar out of my husband. And let me see what else.
You're talking like it's the one jar. How many times I full that jar up?
You never filled it all the way to the top.
I gave it to you full.
No,
And I
you didn't.
refilled it since.
No, you didn't give it to me full.
I didn't give it
Alright.
to you full? Okay. No, you're calling me a liar. Alright, no
I'm
problem.
not calling you a liar. You want the
Okay.
people in them to have dry bath bombs?
No.
Okay then. Anyway, you were asking me what's in them.
Yeah,
So,
what's in it?
Pharmaceutical grade peppermint oil. So you got
Hold that
peppermint
up, let
oil.
me see it again so
Okay.
you people can see it.
Alright.
Okay.
And then vegan colors. So these are the olive color and these are the bluish green. So, and then a little bit of water. And then of course the baking soda, cornstarch,
That's these
citric
over here.
acid, makes them fizz. Is your phone get ready to die?
Let me see. No. Well, yeah, almost.
So that's it. That's all that's in bath bombs, and it's very relaxing for me to make them.
So how do you use them?
I'm gonna show you tonight. I got you back.
Okay. Good comeback, Jessica. Good comeback.
We have a new house with a tub, a beautiful sunken in tub, so I really am going to show you.
Okay.
But, yeah, you just put them in some warm water and...
So they have to be warm water?
Yes. Nobody takes a bath in cold water here.
Because I used to take bath in cold water in Jamaica.
Well, not here. Remember when you used to tell me, oh...
Just wash your face and drink some of the water and it will bring your body temperature to the regular temperature of the water so you won't be cold.
Yeah, I didn't like that theory.
But did it work though?
It didn't work for me. It worked.
Really? I thought it did.
I tell you what, let's go to Jamaica right now, and I'm gonna see if it works for you. Now that you've been here, taking hot showers.
Once you know how to ride a bike, you always know how to ride a bike. It will work for me.
Wow.
I know that it will work.
Okay.
Seem like we didn't get you initiated good enough, Jessica.
Oh, that I didn't get initiated good enough.
Seems like it.
I think I've been. I think I was indoctrinated quite well there.
Okay.
This is one of my personal ones.
Oh, it's the last one?
Yeah.
Okay, alright guys. She finished.
Alright.
Do you have anything to say to your people?
To your people? Well, no, not really. Hey guys. Bye guys. See you later. Thanks for being on our live. thanks for just hanging with us anytime that you do. We appreciate it.
All right.
All right.
All right, guys. Take care. One love. Me turn the phone around
so you. See you. Yeah.
Yeah. Hold on. Yeah, man. Here we go. Yeah, man. One love, guys. Enough respect. Yeah, man. And we'll talk to you soon. All right. Yeah, man. Bless. Love and harmony. All right.